Tired of juggling everything in your team's meetings solo? This video will show you how to designate multiple hosts in Microsoft Teams, making your online gatherings run smoother than ever. Let's dive right in. First, while you're in your Teams meeting, click on the people icon in the meeting control bar. This usually looks like two silhouettes. This will open the participants panel on the right side of your screen. Now, find the participant you want to make a host. Hover your mouse over their name and you'll see 3 dots appear next to it. Click those 3 dots. And in the drop-down menu that appears, select Make a Host. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure you want to change their role. Just click the Change button. And that's it. You'll now see that the person's role has been updated to host next to their name in the participant panel. They now have the same meeting controls that you do. Your new co-host can now mute participants, manage the meeting lobby, share content, and even end the meeting. Remember, you can assign multiple hosts. Simply repeat the process for any other participants you want to give host privileges to. To remove host privileges, click the 3 dots next to their name again, and this time, select Make an Attendee. And there you have it. Now you can confidently manage larger or more complex Teams meetings with ease by sharing the load with co-hosts. Happy collaborating!